Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Jacobs. I'm a doctor of physical therapy and I'm an inventor of ASTR specialty. I'm also a cancer survivor and I used to suffer from chronic migraines, headache, pain and fatigue before I invented ASTR specialty. Alright, Wilford, tell me what's going on with your feet. What happened?
Well, a week and a half ago I couldn't walk from here to that wall.
So it's basically like 4 feet or something like that. Okay.
And when I would put my feet on the floor, it felt like it was a whole lot of things just making it really, really tender. Yeah, it was just so tender. Yeah. So then when I stood up, I couldn't move. I couldn't walk. So a couple of days later, I went and I never had this happen, so I figured it would blow over. So I was able to walk, but I couldn't put on a shoe, I couldn't bump anything, I was so painful. And then a couple of more days and it seemed like it didn't dissipate, but it
decreased a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's when my brother called me, I explained it to him, and he thought it was peripheral
neuropathy?
Yeah.
Okay.
But then when I explained it to him and he saw your video, then he said, man, look at this and see if this is what you're doing. And then I saw you do the whole thing. I said, let's go.
Okay. So how much pain do you feel from 0 to 10? 10 is emergency room. So 10, that's when you put weight on it,
right.
Yeah? Okay,
Right.
Now, how much pain do you feel right now?
High 8s.
High 8. And where do you feel it exactly? Let me see. Let's get this in.
Basically, like on here, across here. See?
So in this area?
Yeah.
And you have
this is even swollen in here.
Yeah, swollen there, yeah.
And then,
is that painful?
Yeah.
To touch it?
Sort of, yeah. It's a little better.
How long has it been swollen like this?
A little over a week, maybe 2 weeks.
You see the other leg?
Yeah. And this one here is really hurting, just not
You have a
even.
little bit swollen there too.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so, that day that I was able to walk, then the next day it got to this.
Okay. So I want you to take a few steps. I'm gonna be closer to you and just see how you walk. And then and tell me how much pain. Okay? We'll have you stand up, walk a few steps, just to get the whole body. So most of the pain in the first few steps, yeah? Let's walk.
The first stand.
How much pain now?
Lots. Lots. I can tolerate a lot, so, but it's a lot. I mean, and I can't bend it. I'm walking,
Get the feet, yeah?
you know, like you said, I'm walking in.
Yeah, your arch collapsing. Is that how it is, or it's recently?
This is, I guess, recent. I kind of noticed it a little bit on my shoes.
Yeah, because I see it like it's totally collapsed.
I wear dress shoes a lot,
Yeah.
and I can notice it there.
So let's
now it's tingling like crazy.
After you stepped on. Okay. So make sure everything pain free. Are you comfortable lying on your stomach?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's lie on your stomach. Do you have pain in the heel? Or you comfortable like that?
Yeah.
Bend both knees. Both of them. And relax. Make sure you get my face. So is that where you feel the pain here?
I don't feel the pain, but I barely feel your hand.
So you have like a little bit.
There.
That's painful.
Yeah.
So the left is more or the right?
The right is like dead pain.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I'm not feeling it, and the left is serious pain.
Make sure everything pain free. So most of your pain around here and here. Yeah?
Yeah.
Here and here.
It just seemed to be a little more tender on the left.
Okay. Any seizures, pacemaker?
No.
Okay. So you notice your arches collapsed recently, is that correct?
Yeah. Well, until you said it, I didn't know what was the problem. I did kind of felt that my arch was a little flat because I had my nephew bought me those really big tennis shoes, you know.
Mhm.
Normally I wear them, I feel better than ever, and it wasn't really too much difference.
So,
And now they hurt like hell on the top of my foot.
well, your arch is really collapsing. I just want to know that happened recently or
I
it's,
guess, yeah, I had to. I put it like this, I just felt it recently.
You felt it recently, yeah. So next time bring all your shoes. Do you wear any orthotic?
No.
Okay. That painful? It's okay.
It's okay. I mean, I feel needles all around it.
But what I'm doing is not increasing your pain, isn't it?
No.
Okay. As long as it's not increasing your pain, that is fine. How's this?
That's okay.
Okay.
You know.
So because it's a
It's like you touching down there, but I feel it all over tightening up.
Okay. I'm gonna use the MagnaHeal because you have a little bit inflammation. If it's a mild inflammation, you should feel better. We're just using the MagnaHeal for a few minutes. So, how does it feel?
Okay.
Okay. Have you had this issue before?
Had what?
This issue before?
No, never.
Is it painful or is it okay?
It's just those needles come when you're doing that.
Is it increase your pain?
No.
Okay.
What is that where it feels like I got somebody having squeezing my foot all the time?
What you feel?
Yeah.
Well, it could be like circulation if you feel like it's swelling. That's inflammation.
Yeah.
If you feel like you're swelling up, that's usually inflammation.
But I mean, but even when it's not inflammation, because I checked all that, and I think it's something to do with the blood flow. Because I don't feel.
You have a good circulation?
No, I don't think so. Because most of the time I feel like I got on some socks that are too small and too tight.
Okay. So you have
It's gotten a
neuropathy?
little better.
Do you have neuropathy?
No, I didn't check. I came in here for it.
Okay, diabetic. Are you diabetic?
No.
So as it goes down to your toes too?
Yeah.
Okay. How does it feel when you do this? Any pain?
Not really pain.
What? Or sensitive?
Sensitive.
But you don't feel pain?
No.
Does it feel ticklish?
Not really.
Okay. Make sure it's to let me know if it's too much. Okay?
It's like activating all the needles like really hard. You know?
Okay, so that's increasing your pain. Okay. That's really okay. What about the other side? Is the same here?
Oh, that one can't take it.
So it's really inflamed. Okay. So I'm gonna work more on the inflammation. Okay, so that's mean you have inflammation. You're not tolerating those tools. So I'm gonna use the MagnaHeal more to work on the inflammation. How it feel?
Yeah.
The constant pain. How much is now from 0 to 10?
Oh, it's actually down to 8. I don't feel the pain.
What do you feel?
Like, you know, there's a grip of it.
Circulation?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try to stand and tell me how that feels. How's that? Let's take a few steps. Do you feel any difference?
Yeah, the left one feels a lot better.
You're walking
the
faster.
right one. The right one.
You're walking faster.
Yeah.
Did you notice that?
Yeah.
The first one time. Is your pain gone or
I'm
you still
amazed
feel
at the
pain?
left one. The right one it's really good. That was the one I thought was going to be difficult.
You have more inflammation on the left one. More inflammation.
Well, it's definitely better.
That was what was the one that very sensitive. I could not
Right.
even touch it.
Right.
So, so if
But I mean, this is the one I can't walk on in the morning.
in the morning,
And I
yeah.
almost don't feel anything.
So, how much pain do you feel now, and from 0 to 10?
Let's say on this one from 0 to 10 down to 6, and this one about 7, 8, 7.
Okay.
The left.
So let's line your stomach again.
I mean, but at first, I didn't even want to.
You could not walk when you came.
Well, not only that, when you said stand up, I didn't want to do that.
Yeah,
So,
the first
but
time.
my mind was thinking. When you asked me then, I didn't even think about it.
Yeah. So yeah, you really have more inflammation, more swelling on the left side. Okay, we're gonna do more magna heel. Okay, relax. Let it go. Let's relax. Okay. So you feel it where? Right here or here? Or both?
This time I felt in that heel, like you were saying.
In here, okay.
Yeah.
Well, the thing is, you're gonna feel it in a different area that I did not work on because you have inflammation everywhere.
Oh.
And here, you felt it in the heel too? Where did you feel
Yeah,
it?
the heel and the under the toes.
And here?
Yeah.
So heel and under the toes, both
Right.
legs, yeah?
Right.
So that's the area I did not work on with the magna heel.
Oh, really?
I did not work
So
on
what,
this
you
area.
worked on the arch, huh?
I did the arch, that's where it was
So
sensitive.
that's why, you think that's why I don't feel it so much on the, because I was really doing
Yes.
like you said, leaning
Yes.
wrong.
Yeah, so I did not do those two spots that you
Oh.
complain of now.
My son was saying that sports people get this problem a lot.
I had plantar fasciitis personally.
Yeah.
The sports, bad shoes will cause that, pronated foot. If your feet like naturally pronated like the way you come in today,
Mm-hmm.
that's a risk factor for it.
Mm.
You know, is it worse on the heel or the toes?
The toes, actually. I mean, the heel is not far behind, but the toes are. Because I couldn't.
I'm really using two magnets just to make sure you have strong intensity on your toes. And the inflammation to decrease it.
You know, I lost weight with this pill, you know. So I was thinking, I mean, now I don't feel it, but
What
at
pill are you
first the
talking
right
about?
foot, huh?
What pill? Which one did you lose the weight with?
The one in the big package, London Town or something.
Is it the chemo?
Yeah,
Okay.
and
You lost a lot of weight.
well, I've been changing my eating habit too, you know.
You eating healthy now?
Yeah, working on it.
Okay, I'm gonna give you an anti-inflammatory diet that will help with this.
Yeah, because I'm not a great cook, so I'm just trying to do stuff that's easy.
Yeah, processed
And
food.
then the processed food.
It's worse for
Yeah,
you.
the doctors told me to leave that alone a year ago.
Yeah.
And these bologna salad stuff. I mean, I don't eat that, but you know, compressed meat because they use so much salt to it.
Yeah, and
Make it right.
nitrate is not really good.
Right.
Yeah, you wanna eat more like vegetables, you know, like fresh fruit and vegetables. And
Yeah,
like
and increase
apple.
my fruit. That's for sure.
I'm gonna go over the diet detail, the anti-inflammatory diet. So your body, to help to speed up the healing process. Did your doctor go over the diet with you? Or no?
They gave me some stuff to read. Yeah.
What diet they gave you? It's more fresh stuff?
Yeah.
Fruit and vegetables?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mostly vegetables.
Mostly vegetables, yeah, that sounds right.
And then for the vets, you know, we got places where we go on certain days, we can get a lot of it free.
Mm-hmm.
And so I just need to learn how to cook them, prepare them.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's set up for me. We'll give you some more water. Let me know how this feels. A little bit more. A little bit more water. Do you drink water in general?
Yeah, I buy cases of these.
Make sure you drink water. Your feet look like a little bit dehydrated. You can use olive oil, just make it moisturized.
Yeah.
Let it dry.
You know, that actually, see, this wasn't like this. It just got smooth. It was so bad I was bleeding.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can use olive oil just to help with the skin. Okay, let's. So how is the constant pain? Do you still feel it or it's gone?
I don't feel that.
Okay, let's just stand and walk. And tell me how that feels.
It feels like it's getting better.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely.
You're definitely walking faster.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I just want to see if I can walk, like that,
What do you mean?
like you walk.
You are walking, let's walk more. How does that feel?
Better. I mean, what about in the morning?
Well, I will give you the tips how to avoid that in the morning. Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
much better.
That's good. Yeah, awesome. So you're actually walking much better. So what do you think about ASTR treatment?
Oh, it's good.
Yeah, feel the difference?
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah.
Free to subscribe to my channel to get helpful tips on how to relieve pain and watch real treatment videos. There are over 45 studies that support ASTR treatment model. If you are a patient and would like to schedule an appointment or treat yourself at home, check the link below. If you are a healthcare provider and would like to receive ASTR training and buy ASTR instrument, check the link below. See you soon!